Welcome Arithmetic Ninjas to question number 7. And remember, you should be aiming to get 30 out of 40 at least on your Arithmetic SATS paper. Maybe even 35. And those of you who really go for it, you could actually aim for 39 or 40 out of 40 because the arithmetic paper is quite easy to prepare for. So here we've got a subtraction. Don't try and do this one in your head, just go straight for a column method. 7,064 subtract 502. Let's just do a quick column method, see what we get. 4 subtract 2 is 2. 6 subtract nothing is 6. 0 subtract 5. Now, there's no surprise that they were going to test us on some borrowing here. Nothing take away 5 you can't do, so you need to borrow from the 7, which becomes a 6. The one you borrow makes that into 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. And 6 take away nothing, because there's a gap here, that means nothing. 6 take away nothing is 6. So your final answer is 6,562.